Linking your bank account to RAN 2026 can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the RAN 2026 website or app and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Fill in the required personal information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate the bank linking section. Once logged in, locate the settings or account management section. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or Payment Methods to begin a linking process. Step 3. Select your bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Provide the necessary information, such as your bank account number and routing number. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the connection through a small test deposit or verification code sent to your email or phone. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to RAN 2026. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances seamlessly.